Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw Dogecoin from your Ledger Nano X straight to your Revolut account in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to handle your assets securely is crucial. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your Dogecoin in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated to the latest firmware. In 2025, Ledger has made security even tighter, so double-check that your device is connected to your computer or via Bluetooth and that you've got the Ledger Live app installed. Open Ledger Live and navigate to your Dogecoin wallet. You'll see your current balance. Remember, Dogecoin transactions are quick, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Next, head over to your Revolut app. If you haven't already, ensure your Revolut account is verified for crypto transfers. Go to the crypto section, select Dogecoin, and generate a withdrawal address. This is where your Dogecoin will land, so copy that address carefully, double-check for any typos to avoid losing your funds. Now, back to Ledger Live. Select the Send option in your Dogecoin wallet. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for network fees. Paste in the Revolut address you copied earlier. Before you confirm, review everything: the amount, the address, and the estimated fees. Once you're good, hit send and confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by entering your PIN and approving via the screen. After that, sit tight. Dogecoin transactions are usually confirmed in under a minute, but in 2025, with improved blockchain tech, it might be even faster. Keep an eye on your Revolut app for the deposit. If anything goes wrong, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. A quick word of advice: always prioritize security. Use a hardware wallet like Ledger for storage, and never share your private keys. Also, be mindful of current market fees and Revolut's policies, as they might change. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.